Hello everyone, this is Balu. Welcome to my channel Balu Civil Engineer. Okay, today let us start with the placement series. Coming to the placements, first of all, I am considered this college, that is SVNIT Surat, which is a top NIT among all NITs, which is located in Gujarat state and Surat city. And also coming to the NIRF ranking, it is ranked in 47th position, and compared to 2020 in 54th position to it changes to 47th position, like almost uh, se- uh, 7 positions it has developed. So you can understand the development of the college in engineering courses. This rank is up to engineering courses only, not considering the all courses. Today I am going to give the information about BTech placements only. In upcoming videos, I will make regarding MTech, MSc, and all the other courses. Okay. Next thing, see here, I consider this 2016 to 2021 years, and remember these all figures are taken from SVNIT Surat official website only. I have downloaded the placements of SVNIT Surat. In that PDF, it has mentioned all these figures. Okay, and among 2016 to 2021, 90% of students are eligible for the placements, and among that 90%, 65% of students are placed in various companies. And remember, this is BTech placement. It should be in high compared to the other courses, because BTech students are selected in a large scale. Okay, here you can see among all years, almost 90% students are eligible, and among those 90%, almost 65% to 70% students are placed in various companies in all courses, considering this all courses, and in engineering especially, that is BTech. Okay, next, coming to the salary of BTech students, here you can see computer and electronics. Those people have high amount of packages, 40 lakhs packages. See, you can see here, and these 40 lakhs is the highest package, maximum package, and 14 package is the average, and also 5.75 lakhs is the minimum package. Okay, among electronics and computer, you can see high amount of packages, average, and also minimum. And coming to the electrical, mechanical, chemical, civil, it is in between. Highest package is 10 lakhs per annum. Yes, 6 lakhs is the average package of mechanical, chemical, and civil and electrical students, and also 4 lakhs, 4 to 5 lakhs is the minimum package of civil, mechanical, electrical, and chemical. Okay, the thing is, in whatever the college may be, computer CSE students and electronic students get high packages compared to electrical, mechanical, chemical, civil departments. Okay, you have to remember this thing whenever you are choosing the branch in BTech. Also, please choose that computer, because you will get high packages if you are interested in computer science only. If you are not interested, you can go for other branch. Okay, in package wise, computer science is the best branch, I can say. And you can see that. And also here, see, among 99 students in computer, 89 students are placed. Okay, see, 90% of the students are placed in both these electronics and computer. And also here you can see up to 50% only, not more than 50% students are placed in mechanical, chemical, electrical, civil. Okay, you can pause the video and you can analyze these figures. Okay, next thing, here you can see the sector wise distribution of companies, and you all know about this thing also. Mostly software IT companies visit every college. It may be state college or government college. Software IT companies are in huge member. And next, you can see 18% of companies are core companies. Okay, and other companies are there. When we are talking about civil and infrastructure, see here, there is only 3% of students, like 3% of companies came in civil and infrastructure. Okay, remaining all the companies like manufacturing, sales, public sector companies, academic institutions, there are a lot of companies, and those companies will recruit students. But it is NIT, mostly many of the people are recruited in placements. Next, here you can see the packages. Many of the packages are up to 4 to 7 lakhs per annum. 51% of the packages are 4 to 7 lakhs per annum. So you can get on an average 4 to 7 lakhs per annum in SVNIT. Here you can see these are the various companies recruiting students from SVNIT, and most of the famous companies are here. You can see Amazon, Adobe, John Deere, Qualcomm, Suzuki, L&T, Bajaj, Byju's, Accenture, Siemens, Paytm. I have highlighted the higher order companies and lower order companies. Here you can see I am not like discriminating those companies, but on a package wise and also the famous and also development. In this way, I am categorized highlighted the famous companies or developed companies. Okay, you can stop the video and you can zoom those figure and you can see a lot of companies. Okay, for civil engineers, you can see here L&T is recruiting in SVNIT, and also infrastructure companies also recruiting in SVNIT. Okay, this is about the placement scenario in SVNIT Surat for BTech program only. This video is dedicated to BTech students. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, and also I am coming with the MTech program and MSc program placement scenario also in upcoming videos. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you all.